Hi everybody, it's Monica. Today I'm here to show you the do-it-yourself candle making kit. We all know how expensive candles are these days, so this is a great way to save money by making them yourself. This kit comes with everything you see here, and if you want a full list, you can find that on the site. But I know this can be a little confusing for beginners, so this is why I'm gonna show you how to make your very own homemade candle. First thing you wanna do is stick the wick to the center of the candle tin using the adhesive dots. Next, use the wick holder to keep the wick standing upright. Then you want to pour the wax beads into the unit. Next, you want to select the solid setting. You can also select a custom heat setting with the plus or minus buttons. You can also change the temperature rating to Celsius and Fahrenheit. Wait for the wax to melt. At this stage, you can now add the desired wax dye and/or your own fragrance, not included. After this, you're ready to pour. Use the spout to fill the candle tin with the wax, but make sure you use the glove so you don't get burnt. Once it's cooled, cut the wick using the wick cutter. Now you have your own creation to light, display, and enjoy. Now when I was testing this, I had so much fun creating these candles that I actually think I found myself a new hobby. I've even gifted a few of these to family and friends, and they've absolutely loved them. Now you get all of this in one kit for an absolutely great price. So you can either get one for yourself or get one as a gift. So head on over to the site and get yours.